Hi there, welcome to Preston Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Audi Q5 S line finished in moonlight blue metallic paint. This car comes with the high gloss package and the LED interior lighting package. Moving towards the car, you can see it's fitted with the LED headlights with the dynamic rear indicators. And down towards the wheels, these are the 19-inch alloy wheels in the 5 twin spoke star design. As we get closer to the car, you can see on the front wing it has the S-Line badging. And the seats in this car are heated front sport seats finished in the half leather, half fabric with the 4-way lumbar support and less embossment on them. As we get closer to the dashboard, you can see you have your cockpit where you can change and navigate your way through the display screen. You also have your screen where you can use your MMI infotainment system, your SD card based navigation system, MMI Radio Plus, Audi and the Audi Connect. This car also comes with the deluxe 3-zone electronic climate control, the cruise control, Audi parking system plus, Bluetooth interface, Audi Drive Select, a rear view camera, Audi pre-sensity and the Audi sound system. As we move to the back of the car, you can see the rear windows are all fitted in the privacy glass. And as we get into the boot, this car has 535 litres of boot space. With the seats up and with the seats down, you have 1,390 litres of boot space. You also have your touch button to automatically close your boot for you. And into the back of the car, these seats are finished in the same half leather, half fabric, and you have all of your Isofix child seat mounting points in the car. For more information on this car, please give us a call on 01772 730000. Thank you for watching.